How to register with PesaPesa? You will need your email address and personal information, your ID card, your PesaPesa app. Open the app and click on Create Account. You will be asked to provide your full name, your email address, gender, and a unique password. Please make sure you use a strong password with a capital letter, small letters, a number, and a special sign like a bracket or question mark. Save your password somewhere and repeat it for the confirmation. On the next page, you'll have to write your date of birth. You have two options. Either you type it yourself or you pick it from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll have to choose your place of residence. Make sure you choose the country and city from the drop-down menu. For the next step, we'll need your phone number. Pick your country code and then add your phone number with the preceding 0. You will now receive an SMS to confirm your phone number. Add the SMS code. You can now read and accept our privacy policy and terms and conditions. Here you go, you've registered. Now log into your account to check that everything is as it should be. You will receive an email to confirm your email address. Please don't forget to do that. Once you've made an account, you need to verify yourself. To do this, you need to log in with the email and password you just used to create the account. Then click on Continue. It will show you a green success pop-up. On the next screen, please click on Start Verification. You will now be asked to accept the personal data processing. Please read this carefully and then click to agree with the privacy policy and terms of use. Here you'll see a page with examples how your picture should be taken. When you're ready, click on Ready to Proceed. This will start your camera. Now center your face in the red oval. Once it is recognized, the app will automatically jump to the next step. You will need your identification. Read the instructions carefully and put the ID face up. When you click the Ready to Capture button, your camera will start automatically. Ready? Now make a picture of your ID card by clicking the blue circle below. You can also upload a picture if you have one in your gallery by clicking on Upload. On the next page, you can check the picture and if you think it's fine, you can proceed. Otherwise, retake the picture by clicking on Try Again. We will proceed. We now need to turn our ID card around and take a picture of the back side as well. Check your picture again and continue if you're happy with the way it turned out. The app will now submit your request and check it in the background. If everything is fine, you should now get a confirmation. Great, we are verified. Now you can add a Pesa tag. This is the nickname people can search for when they want to send you money. Choose a clear description like your name or nickname. You should get another success pop-up, and now you're ready to use PesaPay. Congratulations and welcome!